The solution provides access to hydrogen in remote locations. The global launch of the H2 Field Mobile Hydrogen Station was recently announced by H3 Dynamics and is a solution capable of producing fuel on site for long-range hydrogen drones and UAVs, uncrewed aerial vehicles of various sizes, shapes, and configurations. Various types of UAS can take advantage of 24/7 hydrogen supply on demand. Everything from hydrogen-powered airships, vertical takeoff and landing, and multi-rotor uncrewed aerial systems. UAS, as well as a variety of fixed-wing systems, can benefit from hydrogen supply anytime and anywhere, 24/7, with H2 Field. The H2 Field Mobile Hydrogen Station features a rugged IP65 trailer-based solution that supplies hydrogen production to various locations where drones operate. Additionally, it has been designed so that it can be dismounted as a permanent installation and link up with solar panel arrays. Various configurations can also be supplied by H3 Dynamics, depending on a client's needs, such as slow or fast charge options. The H2 Field system is exceptionally compact, and what makes it truly impressive is that it can produce hydrogen on site, not simply dispense the fuel from other storage forms. The mobile hydrogen station solves H2 accessibility issues in remote areas. One of the main logistical struggles for the growing base of hydrogen-powered drone operators in the defense, industrial, and academic sectors is gaining access to hydrogen in remote areas. H2 Field solves this issue, as the only feedstock input it needs to do its job is water. Compared to battery-operated UAVs, hydrogen electric systems boost battery drone flight durations by several orders of magnitude. This opens many new possibilities for the use of uncrewed aerial vehicles in various sectors. We want to mature hydrogen technology in today's existing uncrewed aviation market, and that includes working out hydrogen logistics and refueling systems, said Taras Wonkiewicz, CEO and co-founder at H3 Dynamics, in a recent Business Wire news release. H2 Field 1 is H3 Dynamics' first step into hydrogen infrastructure solutions, with increasingly large output power and H2 storage capabilities for small uncrewed aircrafts and increasingly large aircrafts, from airfields to airports. Throughout this year, 2023, H3 Dynamics will continue to transition battery-powered UAS manufacturers to hydrogen. With the help of technology like the H2 Field Mobile Hydrogen Station, the hydrogen UAS market has a chance to grow exponentially within the decade. I'm Jake Martin, and that's it for now. Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe and grab our newly updated ebook. The link is in the description.